because there are no properties on the mirror command. There's nothing to do. What I've drawn here is a very simple shape. I was going to show you the GWR rail coach I did, which again is on the 3D Railway Modeler site as a video, but I found I've lost the original file. So I've just knocked up this very simple shape, and it doesn't matter what shape it is, I think you'll understand the principle. So the mirror tool is this one here on the top bar, which you can see there. And it as you can see, it creates a copy. So what we can do is hit that one. We highlight what we want to mirror. In this case, I'm going to do all of it. And it's got two objects selected. We then select the mirror plane, and we can select that mirror plane, say that one. And OK, and we've got that one. Now this is handy if you're doing, say, wagons. So you've created one side of a wagon. Or as I did with the roof of the rail coach, I developed one quadrant, as it were, because now of course we can turn that round. We can go back into the mirror command, highlight it again and select that plane, and you can see how we've quickly produced something of that nature. Go into mirror, you can see there's no options at all. That's the only part of the mirror command I use, but I will show you also in here you can mirror features. Now if we click on features, we have a feature there, so we can mirror that one as well. So now we need to select our mirror plane for it. So let's put it underneath, if you like, because you have to collect either a plane face, or an actual plane that you've put on. And then it will put it underneath for us. Now if we wanted to, let's go back a bit. If we wanted them to mirror this at some distance, then again we're going to hit an area we perhaps should have covered earlier, is if we construct an offset plane, and we want to construct an offset plane from there, and we'll just drag it out there. Now if we use the mirror command, we can highlight that. And now let's go back into full body. We can do the mirror plane, and we're going to do it on this one, and it doesn't work. So you have to do it off a body itself. It's mirroring itself onto another body. Now the other thing that you can fall foul of is features we just showed you. That's quite simple. Select a feature and select the mirror plane to put it on. And it's what it's done there is mirrored it the same distance from this edge outwards. Now the other bit that you can fall foul on is components. I won't go into that because that's exactly the same as bodies. Faces. Now face is an interesting one because you can select the faces you want. Let's say we're going to select that face and that face, and we're going to select the mirror plane and we'll put there. So it's put them there, but they won't stay there because of course it's not a complete thing. They're purely the faces, and therefore they don't create a body. So personally I can't see any use at all for faces. As Malcolm said in his talk, if somebody wants to do some homework and come back and tell us what use faces are, then we'd be pleased to hear you. But I just use bodies, and it's as simple as that with mirroring.